In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to OneDrive reset. We're going to refresh OneDrive's backup configuration from your Windows desktop using the built-in settings, which is helpful if your desktop documents or pictures aren't syncing properly or if backups were set up incorrectly. Start on your desktop so your taskbar is visible. Look to the lower right corner of the screen on the taskbar and click the OneDrive Cloud icon. If you don't immediately see it, click the small arrow to show hidden icons, then select the cloud from there. That opens the OneDrive panel. In that panel, click OneDrive again to bring up the main OneDrive window. This ensures you're working in the full app interface and not just the mini panel. Next, click the gear icon to open Settings. A small menu will appear. From that menu, click Settings once more to open the full Settings window. There are two layers here, so it's normal to choose Settings twice. Inside the Settings window, go to the Sync and Backup section. This is where OneDrive manages which folders on your PC are being protected in the cloud. Now click Manage Backup. You'll see options for common folders like Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. To reset, click the toggle. When you do this, OneDrive refreshes the backup connection for the selected folders and restarts sync. You may be asked to confirm. Go ahead and accept. Afterward, watch the OneDrive Cloud icon. It often changes to indicate activity showing that the reset is in progress. A few tips as it runs. Give OneDrive time to settle if you notice a processing changes message before you begin, so nothing is interrupted. Keep your computer awake and connected to the internet while changes apply. If you use more than one Microsoft account on the same PC, glance at the top of the settings window to make sure you're adjusting the correct OneDrive. Also, if your cloud storage is nearly full, clearing some space can prevent stalls during the reset. To verify the reset worked, open File Explorer and check your OneDrive folder. You should see your desktop, documents, and pictures appear there, with icons updating to cloud or checkmark symbols as files resync. That visual feedback confirms OneDrive is backing up the right locations again. When everything looks good, close the settings window. That's it, the reset is complete. To recap, from the desktop, open the OneDrive icon in the taskbar, go into Settings, choose Sync and Backup, select Manage Backup, and click the toggle to reset. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to let OneDrive finish syncing before you move on to other tasks.